Right. Let's just do something like this quickly. Alright, let's just do a test like this real quick. And I need audio. Right, testing, because I did not bother to test on beforehand. Let's go. Alright. That should be good enough. Now then, let's actually get some work done. No, it's not Chahal.
A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beauty. A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beauty. A rich man's world. A rich man's world. Beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beauty. A rich man's world. A rich man's world. Beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but
Oh, right, how does it go? Doesn't really matter. Or was I just seeing?
A rich man's world. Have turned the soul of this beauty.
And to this, I want to rename this sanity. I love how happy YouTube is to show me everything about my channel. Very nice. Let's see, where was I? An issue. I see. Oh, I see. That's easy better. Anyways, where was I? Testing stuff. Add this in here, and we then also want rigid body, also static body, and with sprite. Collision shape. I'm gonna just call it like full for now, it doesn't matter. Right. Hopefully Godo would not get mad at me for doing that. In some way. We'll go with that. It's just a quick testing. Doesn't matter how good or bad it is. And then for the player, we need to add a script. We'll use GD script because I am. Now, what do we need to do? Let's see. We need some player speed. speed. Let's say to a random number. We'll need a jump sort of thing. So we'll just call it jump force. Let's set that to 2000. Doesn't really matter. And we'll need a gravity value. Gravity. No, we'll actually use this as current graph. What is gravity? What is gravity? And gravity should be someone hefty. 45. We'll go with that. Then we need to change this to physics process, so we don't accidentally break anything. Sticks delta. Did I have to back point? We'll figure it out. And then we're gonna need to get our input at some point. And that requires me to... Was he complaining? Oh, did I forget to declare it's a variable? Good, I was not happy with me for a while. Okay. And then we're gonna define the function get input. And I actually like to start my functions with a function. This makes me happy. Actually, I'll do this so that it's like separate from the gotaways functions. And let's see what's new. We need somewhere to store where our cactus is doing. So velocity, and this is a vector 2. We'll do vector 2 at 0, and then we're gonna set x value to 0. We get input is something weird happening, and then we're gonna input identify. Oh, so I cannot do this, really. I just want to use like lower thing, because that's what got us based on which is or whatever. That's just UI stuff. Right now, I will just do movement up, down, left, and movement right, and we'll just yeah, we also need movement, jump, and that would be jump. So 5. It would be W. S W is. Then for jump space. It's good. And then we'll check inputs. So we're gonna say if input dot action give it movement. Right. We'll add velocity. X. We'll add our speed. And then we'll do the same if movement left, velocity minus equals speed. So we can handle our input, and then we'll just put up here and velocity dot y plus equals gravity times my delta, and we'll do I think kind of like a, but I don't want to break anything, so it's not. Cool. Then we'll do velocity equals move and slide, and it will be velocity and vector 2 set up for the gravity vector, like that. And then we need to do a jump, and we'll just put in here if input dot action pressed jump. We'll say velocity dot y plus equals jump speed. And we jump for speed. Let's see if this runs. Play currency is 6. There is no action pressed. What did I do wrong? Oh, input is action pressed. Oops. Whatever. Oh. Why? This has a collision, right? I'm not crazy. Yeah, it has a collision. Why am I going straight to that collision? To that collision. Why am I going straight through it? Wait a second. Yo, good luck, thank you. What kind of game are you making? I'm making a puzzle platformer, which feels a little ambitious given how much time I've wasted doing art programming, but should be fine. Why am I going through this object? What did I do? Wait. It has a collision. Shape. Like, it's legitimate. Sounds awesome, you got this, thanks. Like, hopefully figure out why I'm not getting this. Oh, you cannot see, I just realized. Give me 1 second. Spring capture. There we go. There. Now it should show us. Yeah, the debug. Oh. What did I do? I know I did something for this to not be colliding. Wait, I've done this before, so I might just like. What am I missing? What am I missing? Ah, da, da. Alright, so that's stuff. I did something to cause this to not collide, and I don't understand what it was. I legitimately have no idea what it was. That's a bad stuff. There's a part where I go into like a googling like spree. That's fine. It's totally a part where I just go into like a massive Google spree. Maybe like this like moving like way too fast, and that's why it's like breaking. Very will be. It's not it. It's a collision shape weird. It's not a one-way collider, so that's not it. Let's think. Because it's not that fast moving. It's not that fast moving, so it's not just like going straight through. So that's not it. to have like some insane FPS value on the project without realizing. It shouldn't. This 6 FPS is in 60. That's not crazy. So just straight up like that in. What happens? Why I did not? This has a collision. The player has a collision chip, right? Oh, the collision for the player is disabled. Why? 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 There we go. Why is that the default? Why is that the default? Like, anyone explain that to me? Why is player collision like disabled? But just want to make this default scene so I can run it. And we'll make this. Let's do a bit test. Did it actually sync? Yeah, it feels. Okay, the jump is still hilarious. And what is the end for this on 4? Oh. Okay, so the jump is way too strong. Oh, that was not correct. This 600 and then reduce gravity to 15. It's gonna be my life for like the next hour. Just like tweaking what the player feels like. I don't mind this. Okay, this is kind of funny to play with, but still not quite what I want. It's falling at the great speed, but I do want to make the jump a bit stronger. Oh yeah, I like this. Feels nice. We'll go with this. Alright, so that gives us the player. Let's do the object thingamajig, which is gonna be a replace. It's gonna be an area theme. It's gonna have it's gonna be apple. We're gonna give it a sprite and a collision shape. Then so we'll go to our sprite folder and we have the apple thing. And for the collision, we'll do okay, that's cool. node, we'll give it a group, and it's gonna be called apple. So we'll select the apple. In here, and then go to player. Signals on the collision. It's here, right? Change, no. Like that. Input because it's on the apple. Also, it also needs an area to be. Oh no, this kind of okay. When a physics body enters. This is immediately when one of physics and we'll call it connected to. Wait, how did picking up items working go again? I just remember I had to do an area to the. I do not remember how to do the rest of it. It's gonna be very entertaining just watching the player sprite sitting there as I Google. It's a wait. I could do this and make it no, right. Yeah, let's do it in a very top way. And we'll make it like very generously large. And we'll just connect the signal for aria entered to the player script. And then so it's gonna be area dot is in group, and then we'll call it apple. And then we'll throw this into an F. Why is the apple attached to the player? What did I do? Oh, of course. There we go. And then when I touch it, it should say apple. Unless it doesn't. Is the apple not in the apple group? Why is the apple not in the apple group? Upset with the collision shape on the apple. Gotcha. Let's try that again. There you go, apple. It totally looks like a tomato, but I'm gonna call it an apple. And then we'll give it a script. And we will tell this apple that when another body collides with it, we're going to tell it to delete itself, which is Q3. Yep, and the apple dies. Cool. The debugger complained about something. The argument area is never used in the function on apple area entered. If this is their place, we're going to call. We'll keep that just in case. So that's the apple. So we'll add to the player a point. Position to the others. We'll add the player a position to the and we'll move it up. That's not up. Like that. And we're gonna call this E. And so that means we need to seed, which should be an area 2D as well. And we'll add proceeds just in case. This needs a sprite. And then we'll call these seed underscore platform. It also needs a collision shape. Right, it's gonna be this. Nice, really small. Right, I like it. And the collision will be like another like super generous circle, like that. And then we'll connect its area entered to. Where's the method up here? Except put it on area to the area entered. Gotcha. So we go here and we connect area entered on. Oh no, wait, this is supposed to go to the player. Right. We'll save this and then we'll tell the player. And I should be using a switch for this one. The Scoto has a switch function. I love how. Why do I have like Christmas thing in the playlist? I just realized that is like not what I wanted. There we go. It doesn't have a switch. It doesn't have a switch case. Really? I'm not using C. That's gonna be a pain. So it's called match. Match. Match expression patterns. So do you say to match this thing? Okay. So instead we're gonna say match area dot group. Is that a thing? Such help. Group. Get groups, give you an article, the group a node. Oh, that's complicated. I'll just use if statement that says if area dot is group seed and has actually has we'll say not. Do I have to say not? And then we'll have a variable called variable seed has. And we'll say that this is a boolean that's false to begin with. So if the player will say so if the other thing is a seed, we'll use a print for now. Seed. And then we'll say that seed has equals true. And then we'll print that. And that's not there we go. So in theory I could just go here, drop a seed thing inside, run it. So when I touch the apple, it just means it's an apple. And wow, that seed is freaking tiny. I should have done that like 32 pixels instead of 16. It's fine. I'll worry about that like sizes afterwards. Okay, so now I have a seed, so I cannot do that. Then for the player, if input dot section pressed movement down, what it will do is it will call something called handle seed, and that means we have to declare a function called handle seed. And because I'm weird, we're gonna actually set seed handle. Let it pass right now. That. And it will do is it will check if the player does not have a seed, we'll just pass. Otherwise, we will say we'll just print seed dropped, and we'll set the has seed to false. Right. So in theory, did I break something? A 10-1. Oh. Sorry. Now. Oh, right. need to remember why I actually name my variables every once in a while. Alright, let's go. So if I pick up the apple, it's apple, and it takes away the apple. If I pick up the seed, it says that I have a seed. That's cool. And then if I put down, it says that we dropped the seed, and we can pick it up again. Cool. Next. Next. We will handle. What do I handle next? So I have the seed guide, so let's do the thing that shows us that we picked up a seed. So let's go back to 2D. And on seed guide, we'll add a sprite. And for the sprite, we'll keep a empty texture. And what it will do. So what I have to do is, if it's a seed, after we pick it up, I'm gonna need to access that seed and then say object scene instance. So we're gonna say dot instance dot get node, and then the node that we're gonna get is the one called sprite. And then we're gonna say, because we're on the player, we can just access it by name. So we'll say for the seed guide dot no, get node, and we'll ask for the sprite dot set we want to set texture, is that one? No. Set texture, okay. And then we'll set the texture to whatever texture this has. This is probably the single most convoluted line of text code I've written in a while. So if I do this, it crashes. Let's go. Non-existent function instance. Okay, no, not found sprite relative to seed. Oh, because of gotcha. Because it's not called sprite. I'm just gonna put it here. So what's gonna? Let's see. So the apple works, and the seed crashes the game. Let's go. Non-existent function instance. Name it to D. What happens if I just like reference this like this? I can pick up the apple just fine. Oh, sorry about that. Attempt to call function get texture. There we go. In base null instance of null instance. So it's complaining that that is not an instance. So how do we tell it to give me an instance? There's probably a better way to do this, right? There has to be a better way to do this. But this is more modular, so I like it. This is way more modular, so I like it. Let's see. Wait, but no, because then it's gonna... Then I would have to keep track of what the seed I picked up is, which I don't want to do. So a better way to do this, a way better way to do this, would be to take the seed guide, and so when I hit the seed, and where's the seed? There's the seed. So essentially tell the seed to attach itself to the player's thing, which makes sense. So what I will do is I will give it a script, and yeah, that's gonna be here. I'm actually saving my scripts well. Oh, bad. This should have its own folder. No. Path. New folders. Save it here, and then take this and this, and hopefully Godot is smart enough to connect to that. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so let me close this, and then just reload them. So what do we want to do? So we'll declare a public function. Okay, so if I have a reference to it, I can just call the function, which means I can declare a function here called attach, and then we're going to call it seed attach, so I don't get confused. And it's gonna take a position. Today it's called. What is this thing called? A position 2D with a big P. There we go. So it's gonna take a position 2D, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna say can I add it as a child? Okay, so I cannot add it. It cannot add itself as a child of the thing. But what it can do is it can store. It can store the guide, and then just say guide equals. Wait, I should be able to do it like this, right? Position like this. So it knows that it's supposed to be position 2, right? No, I cannot. Can I not type? Wait, so I can do it like this. Does that work? Probably. And then we'll say for the player. And it will pass a reference to the guide. Valid get index position. Let's see. That looks fine. Did I forget? Yep. Attached. Where did it go? It's supposed to be following this thing, which is right there. So why are we not following it? Where did it go? y is at 0, y minus 7. And the guide is at 0, y minus 7. Oh, because relative position. Right. So, to work with global position. Global position. And now we can carry a seed around. Let's go. Okay. That was way harder than it should have. We'll just move this down a little bit. Maybe not that much. That's fine. Hey, we can pick up the seed. Let's go. Oh. Alright, we're getting there. Is the game like actually updating properly on stream? I can't see it. Wait, is the debug just not properly showing? Oh no, it is. Cool. So we can pick it up, and now we need to drop it. So we're gonna need a function to call. We can use this function seed attach or detach, and we'll need position, and then we'll say position equals plus guide dot global position, and we'll say that we're no longer attached. And it's complaining that I did not tell it that this goes. Represent expression. Oh, right. There you go. Okay, so now there's seed detach. So we'll do seed handle. So if we have, so now we need a way to know. So we'll set a new variable called seed seed current, and this is just gonna be an area to be. So when we pick up the seed, and a reference to it, so we'll see that this, we'll say that the current thing is gonna be equal to the and so now we have a reference, and when we put down, we can say that seed current and we call it detach, and we'll pass it the guide. Yeah, seed guide. And then set. And then we'll export a vector to D called seed from offset. And we'll set this to a vector to be 0 for the time being. Oh, it's vector 2. Vector 2, it's here. Right? Right. And then you'll just be C. go to player, there's the offset, and we'll move it 30, and this thing is -20, so we'll move it -10. And so we'll hand that position and the offset. And so when we detach, we'll set our position to that plus the offset. And we're not retouched. Cool. So supposing I did this correct, we can pick this up. And then it crashes. Cool. Did I write? Oh, it's with 2 keys. Right. This works. And it breaks again. Why not? Non-existent function detach. So it's not properly giving a reference to it. I need to keep a reference to it. There are options to just find a better way to do this. Because it's seriously not working. This is not easy or working for me right now because I have no. Of course, like I have no. Like I have no reference to it, so of course, like it will not take it. Right, that makes perfect sense. So the attach part works just fine. Right, it like starts following it around, but then it doesn't. It loses track of what that thing is. So I need to save a reference to it. Yeah, so it's saying no to that because it knows because it's not saving a reference to the actual object. So if I go here, remote, go to the player and go to the script. Velocity, gravity, current object ID. Wait, it does keep it. What the hell? Object ID is 1301, and I need to check for object IDs. Where can I see the ID of an object? Where can I see the current ID of an object? Object ID is 1304. Wait, what? On guide, it's an object with 1304 or 1309. Yeah, it's saving the ID correctly. So it's saving correctly. That's not what I wanted. Has the object ID. Oh, am I really making that mistake? Yep, I'm making the mistake. Oh my god, I'm so mad. If it's that simple, I'm just gonna cry. Yep, it was that simple. Cool. God damn it, I'm so mad. I'm so mad about that. Whatever, that's fine. I'm not mad. We just need to set offset to be something a bit more. Actually, we don't need an offset. Wait a second. Variable. You know what? I'm just gonna be lazy about this. Yeah. Well, look at this. Seed. Drop. And we'll just move it to the right a bit. Like that. We'll get rid of the offset. This is not needed. And we'll just say seed drop guide or guide drop. I think guide drop is better for me. So now it's just gonna do that, and then what we're gonna do with the player is it's gonna press it that, and we'll see if that just works. Yep, it just works. Cool. So now we can drop it and pick it up again. Let's go. We'll move it a bit more to the right. So now we can pick up and drop the seed, and now we'll give it a twin. Grip, it's gonna be on. Now we need to figure out how twins work again. Oh, I need to call it. I need to call it. Self. We'll give it a node. Let's complain about it. I went to from vector to D to node path. Oh. Duh. Cool. Okay. Fireball, float, offset. I will say it. Yeah, nice support actually. I will set like 20. And it will interpolate from whatever my whatever my position is. To this kind of position. That's close to what I wanted. Okay, so when the tween completes, tween dot invert values. Oh, it's oh, I see. So when it attaches, it stops. We need to give it thing. This can just be a position.y. So they want the tween to interpolate between something and something. So on ready, we'll set the between values. This will be position. Got my thing. This will be position, but while plus offset and position.y plus float offset. Ta-dum! Cool. And so it will actually go between values 0 and between values 1. Oh, I made a mistake. Let those, and then we'll tell between two start again. Then we'll start. And then here we'll say function. Start. I'll take this and we'll just put it in here. Cool. So in theory, already between start. It ain't moving. Alright, because I haven't set twin values at that point. No, I have. I absolutely have. So why is it not floating? They're supposed to be floating. They're supposed to be floating. Float. And then unattached we'll say tween stop. And on detach we'll say tween stop and base. Huh? That expects something? Why? Generations. I should probably say one. Start. Stops. Oh, I see. Wait, was this unsaved? This is complicated. Alright, so that's that. But why is the tween not doing anything? Has no property called position.y. Tween target object has no property name. Position.y. Like, can it pass itself like this, maybe? That should not work. So it's gotta be self. Does he not have a position? It should. Oh wait, is it? Nope. Like, it's right there, it's position. Oh, it's position, just position.y, not a thing. No, it's accessing it right there. Do I do position.y like this? Nope. Huh. That's annoying.
a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beauty, a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beauty, a rich man's world, a rich man's world, beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beauty, a rich man's world, a rich man's world, beautiful land, but a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but
Has my mic been muted this entire fucking time? Oh no. Whatever. Text. Be right back.
a rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land.
Right, so let's see. Next step on this process. And this is tiring. How long have we been up? Almost 2 hours, Jesus. Okay, so back to where we were. Right. So. Remind me to set the stream delay to low next time. Yeah. Anyways, so next thing to set up might be some like small animations for the set of the animations for the player. Right now it's like not very entertaining to watch. So let's go with that. Sprites animation. Okay. So we're gonna give the player a animated sprite. It's gonna complain that frames, sprite frames. And so the way that this works is and add from sprites. From sprites, we'll add the idle. Then we'll add a new one. This is gonna be side, and we'll add the side thing. We'll do a down. We'll add the down thing. We'll add a jump. We'll add a jump, and we'll add the jump thingy. And we won't worry about the up right now. So. We'll add the up. Why not? I mean, might as well. Okay, so we've got that. So now we don't need sprite anymore. Because now it's an animated sprite. It's fancier. So what we're gonna do is we'll call the sprite and we'll tell it to play an animation. So we'll take this and just animate it. Play, and we'll call it to side. Same for this one. But before we tell it to play side, we will tell it to flip. Like that. Oops. False. And now that we have that working, we should be able to... why is it so motion blurry? Why is it so motion blur? Wait. That's not even. Did I break something? I forgot what the arrow was supposed to look like. How did I just not get the right thing in there? I'm so bad. How do I remove? There. I do need to try to go back to battle. Right, go to aisle. What I want to do is copy this. Set it to just pressed. Need the jump one. should make it a bit. Cool. And then we'll say if I'm actually gonna switch this to handle it, but then do a handle animation, and we'll create it right here. Function. Let's see. Function. That should give the same thing. Same. Just make my and then take this. Actually, no. Sorry, this one's So if we're not moving and we're on the floor, set ourselves to idle. And then does it have an elif? It has an elif. And body. And then we do another one. So if not is on the floor. So we're not on the floor, we'll play jump. So this means that while we're not on the floor, did I not set the jump animation correctly? Did. If we're not on the floor, play jump. And jump is set to this. So why are you not playing jump? It's called jump, right? Like, I'm not going insane. Yep, it's right there. But the fucker's going insane. What the hell? There's no animation with name jump. Ah. Are you sure, Godot? Because it looks to me like there is one. There it is. if they're pressing down, we'll set the animation. So if you're pressing down and just for the sake of consistency, then we say animated sprite dot play, and we'll set it to 2. So now a little thing can get down. It can drop its seed. It can jump. It can jump to the side. And it can drop the seed. I love that. I can just do this. I'm very happy with that. Okay. So up next, how to not lose your sanity while coding a game. Next thing. So up next is I want the seed to like drop on a different side depending on where you are. So what we're gonna do with that, is if we're moving to the right, we'll actually just go position. We'll set the .x to. We'll check which side it's on. And then if it's on the right, it's gonna have a positive. So if this thing is more than 0, we'll tell it to... Sorry, if this thing is not more than 0, we'll tell it to flip itself. And then we'll do the same for the left movement. But it's less than. And what this means is that... Oh. Ah. Dot position dot x. Alright, so now it's gonna crash again. Let's go. Valid get index x. Huh? Ah, right. I have to also tell it here. There we go. Alright, so now if we move to the left and we drop the seed, it goes drop to the left. If we move to the right and we drop the seed, it drops to the right. Let's go. That took way too long. Okay. Next on the list. So we can pick up the seed. We can move the character around. And we can drop the seed whenever we want. So what other basic game mechanics are missing? We need the seed to do something, right? Yeah. So we need the seed to do things. That's gonna be hard. Okay. Let's see. We need... to do stuff with the seed. Well, that's... I don't feel like coding anymore. I'm gonna do like a test on the on the tile map because there's no way I can keep coding right now. Tile maps. What this needs. Please work with me documentation for 5 minutes. Okay. So, what we want to do okay. So we want to create a tile map, and we're going to do that on a new thingamajig. So it's going to need to be a tile map. So tile map. So the tile map need a new tile set, and for that we're gonna find it under sprites. It lives this one. So the way to do it is new tile set, and we get the tile sheet. We just new single tile. New single tile. No, wait, what? Alright, so I can go in here and do this. Actually, we'll do. I did this. New single tile. Wait, how does this work? Oh. Oh. Okay. So we do this. New tile set. We edit this. We add this. And we do this. Select this. Oh no, that's a tile. And then we want this tile. We want this tile. One like, yeah, cool. So now if I go here, I have that corner, but I also want like this. Cool. So now I have tiles. Very offset tiles, but tiles nonetheless. Cool. This is not super friendly. Huh? I guess if we do this. Oh, but it's not even close to connecting. Why? And here it shows it to me as a full thing, but when I go here, it says that it's not. There you go. So I can do something like this. But it doesn't connect. Oh no. Now does this tile connect with itself? Good enough. Haha. Yeah, good enough. So let's try this. So I can do this. And like, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. That almost works. That definitely doesn't work. This is fine. This is fine. I'll figure it out at some point. That's not what matters right now. What matters right now is we want a collision to happen. So add collision here. still don't know why I have that thing. That like Christmas thing. This tile map thing is really not helping me out. I'm gonna have to like. I do not want to admit it, but I think I'm gonna have to do the tile map. Like redo my tile map. I took this one from like internet file, and it's just not compatible at all with what I need to do. It's like being really incompatible with what I need, and that's not particularly helpful. Well, this is great. Okay, this works. Cool. So that works, which means I can also go in there and give it a collision. Or like for instance, I just need like a small collision. Box. There we go. So now I can go to test and add the tile map. And this will allow me to take away this and instead go like this. And test this out. Can I set the FPS for like an FPS limiter for this thing? Because I do want it to run. I do want it to run on a very specific FPS for the sake of making my life easier. Settings, FPS, debug. We'll set it to a 30 FPS limit, and there we go. For some reason, dropping it to the left is like freaking impossible, but dropping it to the right works just fine. That's weird. Oh well. Probably just this character being asymmetric. It's not no big deal. All in all. So now we've got like the ability to do this and just add like platforms and stuff. Which is great. This thing can shoot jump though. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a camera. Because we need the player to have a camera. That is not how I want it to follow. So enable drag margins. Give it a bit more room. Up and down. Like 0.4, 0.4. We'll add a bit more smoothing to this. Whew. For percent it's like not the same depending on which side you drop it on. It's really weird. I mean, it should be the same. Then we go to the remote. Go to the player. Go to the player. Go to the this thing. It seems to be about the same. I will let the players do with stuff. No, not that. So we'll add to the seed a timer, which is we're gonna call it cool down, and it's gonna be like 0.5. It's gonna be very short. It's a one shot. And then we'll do the timeout, connect it, and then we're gonna say variable pickable equals true. I think I'm actually gonna do that on the player. Timer, we're calling cooldown. Got seed cooldown just so that we know. And the timeout, it's to the player. Then we'll create a variable. Call can seed cooldown. And we'll say true. We'll say false. And then when this is up, we'll say seed cooldown equals false. So it's no longer on cooldown. And then when we pick up a seed, it's a one shot. When we pick up a seed, we're gonna say seed cooldown dot start. I believe that's the one. Now we're set seed cooldown equals true, so we are on the cooldown to pick up seed. So if we touch the seed and we don't have a seed and seed cooldown and we're not on cooldown, we'll pick it up. So now if I pick it up, remote. Player. So we're not on cooldown. It's not changing. Wait, am I starting this? Oh my god. This is supposed to do when we drop it. So if we detach the seed, we go on cooldown. There we go. So this should make it so that when we drop the seed, we don't pick it up instantly. And it's like short enough cooldown that it shouldn't be like super obvious when you're playing. It should be enough, like low enough cooldown that it's just not an issue at all. Hopefully. I can still push it like way down, huh? Gameplay decisions. Alright, so this allows me to just quick drop it. And what's more important is that I can do it even shorter, huh? 0.05. Let's see. Right, we got the apple. Cool. That feels great. Okay. How long have I been going by now? 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. Oh my god. Okay. So, and I need to figure out the tile map. Okay, so I'm missing figuring out the tile map, figuring out the sit functionality, figuring out like an enemy and like a goal. That's fine. So I need to make assets for the ground to put the seed in. I need to make an asset for the ground. I need to make a new actually functional tile map. Yeah, so a tile map, the mound that I'm going to be using to put the seeds in. The mound that I'm going to be using to put the seeds in. So yeah, so tile map, mound, and we'll work off of that. But for now, I think that is it. Yeah, I think that is just it.